Alrighty, peoples of the YouTube community. Well, hello, old CBR 600, nice. How is it going, everyone? How's your day going? Yeah, I'm talking to you. You, yeah, the one behind the screen. How are you doing? It's been a hot minute since, yeah, I've been on the bike. Look at that clown. On his phone. Doesn't know what's going on. And these are the guys I gotta ride with on the road and have to look out for. Got to love that, y'all. But yeah, back to what I was saying. How are you doing? Let me know down in the comments below. I hope y'all are doing well. Hopefully y'all are having a good evening, good morning, good afternoon, and a good night. But yeah, comment in the comments below how y'all doing. We'd love to know. How am I doing? I am doing pretty good. I'm doing very, very good. I am, in this current moment in time. Oh fuck, the dark. This clown. Move! How am I doing? I am doing excelente. Doing very good. I am out and about on the bike, so why would I not be good? Then you can hear stuff as beautiful as that. But yeah, no, I'm doing pretty good. I'm out and about enjoying some nice cool weather, and the signs of spring has started to come about. Well, not spring, sorry. Summer is starting to roll around, and yeah, the weather is finally deciding to show itself, which means we're closely getting into riding season, baby. More content for the content crow. But yes, sir. Now, what I am up to is very interesting, because it's the first time I'm going down there. Not participating, but moral support. You know, you got to help support your bros and broskies out. So I am heading down to meet a friend. We are then gonna go down to the drag strip where, well, there's a drag. Is it open? The drag strip is open to pretty much anyone. $70 entrance fee and whatnot. So I'm going down to support my broskies on the Ducatis. And yeah, be the moral support, you know, cheer. I just need to find me some pom-poms when I get down there. But no, I would be participating, but nah. There is some safety stuff that they require that I do not have for being able to be on the drag strip or participating in it. And the main thing that I don't have that they're mandatory you need to have is essentially boots that cover your all the way up to your ankles, well, above your ankles. So essentially riding boots. But I got everything else: long pants, long socks. But yeah, I don't have the booties, unfortunately. So I was just like, you know what? I'll just still head down there and be moral support, cheerleader, that stuff and things. And the friend that's coming along with me, I think he's still undecided as to whether or not he's going to participate in it or not. So that should be interesting. And the friend that is tagging along is for the OGs. Y'all would know him as the guy who owns the 1299S that I took to get detailed whilst, you know, he was out of the country for work. So I drove it, got it, dropped it off to the detailer and all that stuff and things. So that, and also the guy that I went through the hills with not too long ago, that, yeah, well, not too long ago, that was several months ago, and before that, that was almost a year and a bit that I hadn't caught up with him. Because, you know, time's just weird, and life's just weird like that. But now that his schedule for work is more, I wouldn't say set in stone, it's just more like he knows when he's going to be back exactly, and there's no wishy-washiness. His schedule is set in stone essentially now. So yeah. Which is always good, because the unpredictability of your schedule is always a stressful situation. So yeah. Alright, then ladders, we're off. So it turns out I didn't fill it up the last time I used it. So this will be general entry onto the drag strip, because your boy don't have no booties. Like I said, didn't have booties. Or better yet, I think I do have boots, but I don't know where they are. Because I know when I first started riding, I bought a pair of boots because I was thought like, fuck yeah, these are gonna be the bee's knees. Got Alpinestars boots, ankle boots and stuff, and I stopped wearing them real quick. Mainly due to the simple fact of the little spot on the toe where there's a bit of padded plastic to help with when you shift, you're not on your toe completely, essentially. You're kind of like, how would you say, it's just like a pad essentially, and that pad started killing over into my big toe, and it was a doo-doo essentially. But yeah, so I don't know where I put them. They're somewhere in one place or another. I can't even remember what, to be honest. So yes sir. So yeah, I was just talking to my mate just then while filling up, and he is saying that he wants to upgrade to the new generation, and he wants to grab himself the V4s P2. So I was just like, hell yeah buddy, you do that. I mean, I was tempted by the V4s black, even the new one, the Lamborghini one, and I was also tempted by the Streetfighter SP as well. But to be honest, the Streetfighter SP I've kind of like about. Like, it's, for what you get, it's not that bad, but I know for a fact that the dry clutch would do my bloody head in, and I wouldn't be riding it as much as I ride this. Not to mention, when you go dry clutch, your maintenance needs to be done more frequently, which is a kind of sucky thing. Get that out of my system right now, because the road we're going onto has cameras. Goddamn! You carry that for a bit. beauty of having a bike, right? What traffic. Not only that, but I also noticed all those VIP signs, so I'm guessing they might have plate recognition if they go past and check shit. Especially, we're just arriving, I think, around when it's kicking off. So I think it's probably going to get busier. Alrighty then. We are heading out, boys and girls. They're gonna be there for a bit longer, and me and my mate, we're kind of just like, there's only so much drag racing you can you can watch essentially before it gets boring. So we are gonna go head to the city, grab some food, grab some beer, and then yeah, bugger off home essentially. So I will do me outros now before I forget, because I have been forgetting. Thank y'all for watching this beautiful video, and yeah, I'll definitely drop in one or two of the race like highlights, because there was one funny moment where a car shat its pants. But other than that, yeah, thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for the continuous support and love on the channel. I've been steadily growing, and if we keep the pace the way it is and increase is good. Yeah, I'll definitely be hitting that 1,000 sub mark before the end of the year is out. Haha. Yes sir. I'd love to see that. So again, thank you, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Now remember, if you're new and you've been recommending my videos frequently, do me a solidarity and hit that like, hit that sub, be deeply appreciated, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Ride safe, peace, and always, deuce.